One of the aha moments that happened to me over the last 23 years of going from a programmed city dweller to a more sustainable urban farmer happened when I saw a small white spider that was on a grape about the size, or a sphere about the diameter of a dime. If you remember what those look like. It was very tiny. It would take many body lengths to go around that small grape. And I realized that this spider was living in an ecosystem that was that bunch of grapes. And there were insects that it was hunting and eating that were smaller than it, probably about the size of its body. As you know, spiders have long legs and small bodies.